and a flawless operation. Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Introducing to anybody, if they know me, knows that I like Cadillacs old and new. And this we are presenting is a 2004 Cadillac XLR Convertible. And speaking of flawless, that top did go up and down without a hitch. Very easy up and down, one button. Operates everything. Beautiful interior. It is loaded like you would expect from a Cadillac. There we go. Has been taken care of by the right person. Only 33,000 actual miles. Again, loaded like crazy. Heads-up display, automatic transmission. That's with the 4.6 Northstar. Bose sound stereo. And when they say it rides like a Cadillac, there's a reason for that. Four-wheel disc brakes. There's your Northstar hidden underneath the hood. Clean as a whistle. Again, taken care of by the person you want it to be taken care of. Beautiful colors. And ready for the road right now. You would not be disappointed in this loaded 2004 Cadillac XLR Convertible. Stunning automobile. Master craftsmanship put these babies together, and it absolutely shows. Please hang out the end of the video. I'll have undercarriage and interior trunk pics, the whole ball of wax, stills at the end of the video, as well as please check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. We certainly would appreciate that. CruisinClassicsInc.com is our website, 614-276-7355. Give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out in any way that we can. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.